Hello, my name is Nikita Avdeev. I am 13 years old and I am from Russia. My local beach is St. Petersburg. I was in La Fire Wave and it's so nice and so beautiful, but there's like have few people and it's already enough for that wave. It looks like many people, yeah, and I haven't got same wave like La Fire Wave near my home, yeah, and I like Ecuador. It's so nice, hot country. You can do here so many things like surfing, yeah, and surfing, and I saw like ISA event. It's my second ISA event, and I saw so many good people, and I have so many new friends, so many ideas and others, and it's really amazing. Вы можете следить за всей российской командой на сайте www.isagsk.com.